Did you do him?
You know what I mean? So that's a good
Yeah.
way to approach it when
Yeah,
you don't
that is a
know what
great
to
way.
say. That's Jasmine doing that. Whatever.
You learned me that. How to do that.
There we go.
Do it again. I want to go to class because of you.
Oh, he probably will. He's
Thinking about it.
thinking about it. Feeling it. You looking at me?
Because the camera's off.
You looking at me? You looking at me? Good boy.
Here it comes.
Here we go. He's feeling it again.
Yeah, you
Yeah. Whatever you're doing, do it some more.